Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So I'd like to start with the fastest way to turn it on and off, and all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and find the proper icon, which is here, nightlight. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, the screen changes the colors. It is more yellowish, and it is because it filters the blue light. Of course, you can turn it off the same way and it will get back to its normal state. If you want to customize it, just tap on it and hold it and you will be transferred to the proper section, but I'd like to show you the full path in case that your device will not automatically open the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to find the display and tap on nightlight. Let's of course turn it on so we will be able to see the differences. And here we've got the intensity feature. We can customize it, of course, by going to the left. We can make it much cooler, and basically, to be honest, there is really a little bit of difference between the coolest setting in the intensity and the nightlight turned off. And of course, on the right you've got the warmest option. You can schedule it also. The none option is kind of manual, so you have to turn on and off the nightlight manually. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely pick the start and the end time, of course up to you which hours you want to set. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, so it's up to you. I prefer none. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.